Welcome back to Bombtastic Gaming. I'm Jake. Thank you for the support. But if you haven't already, hit the like and the subscribe button, and you'll be able to check out down below in the description the links to our other social media accounts. So this video, we went to our LGS and picked up collector packs that they had available. And I also have a double masters off screen. I kind of screwed it up a little bit trying to get it off this stupid plastic because it was glued. So we're just going to leave it there until time to open because it's already kind of ripped. But we're going to get into it by opening all these, and then at the end of the video, I'll put the packs back, and we'll add the overall prices to each pack to see how we did. All right, so let's start off with the core 2021 set and see what we get. We'll set that down. All right, so we got a Hollow Forest, Garrick's Gorehorn, Finishing Blow, we got a Swamp, Angelic Ascension, Thrashing Brontodon. Oh, I love this artwork on these lands. Transmorgify, extended art, I like that, nice. Rada, Idol of Endurance, Basri's Acolyte, Liliana Stewart, Liliana Standard Bearer, Garrick's Uprising, Teferi's Ageless Insight, and a bird token. All right, time for Theros. So out of all of these collector packs, let me know down below which guys that you found as your favorite, which one you think holds the most value. Got Island, Maugus's Favor, Omen of the Sun, Syntassi, Skirmisher, Rumbling Century, The Haven, Inevitable End, the full art Swamp and Mountain. I really enjoy these full art lands. I thought these were one of the best. Death Bellow Warcry, Wave Break Hippocamp. We got this Hound of Athreos, this triple-headed dog, that's real cool. Daxus, Blessed by the Sun. NX, Hardened in the Forge, and the Human Token. All right, Ikoria, let's get us one of these Godzilla cards, or even a Triome would be a really good hit too. Put that. So we got the Cat Bird token, Thornwood Falls, the Blitz Leech, Anticipate, Snare Tactician, Void Beckoner, Zagoth Mamba, we got a Forest, Selective Adaptation, Unpredictable Cyclone Extended Art, nice, Death's Oasis, Glowstone Recluse, oh, the Cavern Whisperer, nice, we got the full art Zagoth Triome, and the Space Godzilla Death Corona foil, and a Chittering Harvester. I think that one might be the most valuable right now. Keldheim. So we'll get into the Keldheim collector. Warhorn Blast, Seize the Spoils, Code Spell Cleric, Scorn, Depart the Realm, Notvold, Slumber Mound, Cardor, Doomscourge, nice, Snow-Covered Island, Pact of the Serpent, Blood of the Snow extended art. I really like that art, that's sick. Mystic Reflection, got a Finn, Fairbanger, Kolvari, God of Kinship, Angar, the Freezing Flame, Starhelm Unleashed. Nice, I really like that art and that foil. Mythic, and then a bird token. All right, let's get into the Strixhaven. Get these mystical archive cards. Combat Professor, Elemental Masterpiece, Witherbloom Pledge Mage, the Silver Quill, Tangle Trap, Eye Twitch, the Decisive Denial, Environmental Sciences, the Flame Painter, Monologue Tax, that's a good hit. Valentine, Dean of the Vein, that's a flip card with the Dean of the Root. Oh, nice. We got a Japanese. Oh, I'm not sure what that one drop. Oh, not sure what that one is. Putrefy. Another green one drop foil. Double major. And the elemental token. All right, MH2. Can we get a fetch land? Fix that. Oh. Fix that up. All right, so Parcel Mirror, Landscape Kolos, Bannerhide, Unholy Heat, the Bone Shredder, Patchwork Gnomes, Mountain. We got a Void Mirror, nice. Gargadon, Grief, full art. Oh, that's sick art. I like that. Phantasmal Dreadmaw, Mind Collapse, Soul Snare, Goblin Engineer. Wait, that's a Modern Horizons card. Huh. And we got Dead Canter and a Thopter token. Okay, so D&D. Celestial Unicorn, Neverwinter Dryad, Unexpected Windfall, You Come to the River, Barbarian Class, the Iron Golem, Plains. Oh, nice. Tiamat foil, Death Tyrant, extended, the Hobgoblin Bandit Lord, extended art, the Baleful Beholder, Direwolf Prowler, Westgate Regent, Hulking Bugbear, the Flumph extended art foil, and then Dungeon of the Mad Mage token with a Goblin. All right, and then let's get into everybody's least favorite sets, the Innistrads. This one's Midnight Hunt. Tapping at the Window, Lampolt Harrier, Geist Wave, the Behemoth, Borrowed Time, the Nebula Glast Intruder in a Swamp, Faithful Absence, Prowling Geist Catcher extended, nice. Sigarda Splendored extended. Then the Dawnheart Warden Showcase with an Outland Liberator, Suspicious Stowaway, Dawnheart Mentor foil, Curse of the Shaken Faith extended, and we got a Vampire Zombie flip token. So we just looked up the Mystical Archives cards. It was Claim the Firstborn and Adventurous Impulse for those two. The green one was the Adventurous Impulse. All right, so now let's get into Crimson Vow. So Apprentice Sharpshooter, Mind Leech Ghoul, Militia Rallier, the Entomber, Groom's Finery, Ancient Lumberknot, got the Island, Dominating Vampire, Haunting Invitation in the extended, Wedding Announcement extended as well, Blood Petal Celebrant, Gluttonous Guest. Oh, we got a Count Dracula Planeswalker, the alternate version of Sorin the Mirthless, Harvester, Toxrill the Corrosive, nice, in the, I forget what that version's called, but I really like that artwork. I felt a little disappointed in that Crimson Vow. I thought when they were going to reprint Edgar, that they could have done him a lot better. All right, Kamigawa, can we get lucky and hit one of these neon inks? Make it worth it. We got the Terminal, Preserver, Gloom Shrieker, Gravelighter, the Reign of Truth. We got a Mountain, Yamazaka the General, Imperial Subduer, Nezuma Prowler, Prosperous Thief, Haduxi, Devouring Chaos, Rampant Rejuvenator, Ogre, Head of the Helm Extended, Sir Hacker Mech, Goro Goro, Disciple of Ryusi Extended Foil. Nice, and a treasure. Ha! No neon ink. Alright, new Capena. Also with the packs, we won't just do the value of like what the cards are. We'll also show what we paid at our local LGS for each pack. The Bruiser, Goldhound, Midnight Assassin, Sky Crier, Mage's Attendant, Cleanup Crew, The Mountain, Botanical Plaza, Glamorous Outlaw, Augur of Agonies, Evelyn the Cavotus, Waste Management, Rabbling Rousing, Tenacious Underdog, Prairie the Pulverizer Extended Art. That's that Commander. And then a treasure token. Alright. D&D, the Boulder's Gate. I feel like this set was just skimmed over. They were preparing for the Double Masters. So we got the Tabaxi, the Bronze Walrus, Dawnbreaker Cleric, Skullport Merchant, Passageway Seer, we got an island, the Emporium Master, Scion of the Hallister, and that same thing in foil etched, Shattered One, Harper Recruiter, Monster Manual, Popular Entertainer, Londo the Seer, the Elder Brain Extended, because we didn't get enough of that in the promo. All right, then we'll bring this over, and as like I showed earlier, see, I tried to unglue it and it already ripped, so we'll set that right there. Peel this off for the video. All right, so Double Masters. We got Jeskai Elder, Arachnus Web, Agony Warp, Monastery Swift Spear, Drag Mangler, Mist Meadow Witch, Gruul Turf, Spell Pierce, Young Pyromancer, Thought Scour, Selesnya Sanctuary, Grim Flare. Okay, so for the full art, Grand Arbiter, Karavac for the foil etched, Grim Flare, foil, full art. So that was a big whiff. All right, and then Dominaria United. So we got a Prodigy, the Snare Spinner, Tangled Islet, the Hexbang Tortoise, Colt Conscript, Djinn of the Fountain. We got a full art Mountain. Yeah, that feels like a textured Rada. Herd Migration, Kadric Soulkinder, Najal the Storm Runner, Doomed Conqueror, Raspin, Rogath, Care Keep Overlord, the Beast Caller, and a Soldier token. All right, Infinity. Let's get a Shockland. Galaxy foil, hopefully. We got Lotbot, Dissatisfied Customer, Focused Funbolist. Now You Can See Me. That was a good movie. Real Handful, Strength Testing Hammer. We got the Attraction Cover the Spot. Let me know if anybody's ever played with those yet. I'm curious to see how the attractions really play out. Six-Sided Dice, Knife and Death, DK, Finder of the Lost, Rules Lawyer, looks like it, Devil. We got a Mountain. Oh, nice. We got an Overgrown Tomb foil. No. Oh, is that Galaxy? I can't tell. It is. We got a Galaxy Overgrown Tomb. Nice. That's definitely the biggest hit. And then for the last but not least, we got the Brothers War. So can we go 2 for 2 and get a serial or a numbered card? We got a Saheeli token, the Scrapwork Rager, Paul Bear, Moment of Defiance. Got this little bird, the Rock, Flow of Knowledge, the Sentinel. We got a Forest, Dig Site Mentor, Loyal Bodyguard Extended Art, the Wire Surgeons, Chromatic Star Foil, Pristine Talisman, Maze Mind Tomb schematic, nice. Flame Brash Veteran and the Shattered, but it's not foil. And then we got a Goblin Charbelcher foil with the Power Stone and Saheeli. So that's it for the packs. We're going to hold on so that we can add the value and fix it up. And then we'll have them over the packs of like what we paid and the value. But thank you for tuning in. Appreciate all the support. And we'll catch you on the next one.